Hi, Andy Mort here. This is a quick introduction to a sound anchor, a kind of reflective audio piece that I created as part of a recent fireside spiral that I was working with someone on. I often put these together in response to themes that emerge in coaching conversations. I kind of have a personal bent, I pick up on stuff that's alive in those that I'm working with and just find a different way of framing the challenges or the hopes, the just general feelings and thoughts that are coming up in our conversation, and bring a bit of a different way of processing to the situation, a creative approach to things. And this one came from a discussion that we were having about developing and losing daily rhythms, the pressure that we put on ourselves to use time perfectly or efficiently or productively, and how we can embrace a seasonal approach to returning to what matters without forcing it. Maybe you find yourself in that kind of place at the moment yourself, maybe beating yourself up, treading water, just feeling a little bit wonky. I hope this gives you some space to rest and breathe and maybe let some new possibilities for how you want to move forwards arise and settle inside you. There are rhythms once known, felt through the body in the morning light, the breath before the doing, meeting the day with fresh expectancy on its own merit, margin, openness amidst the appointments. There are things that need tending. It won't be perfect, but it can be enough for now. There might be space for the other things, generative, energizing, exciting. Maybe not every day, but maybe today, for a few minutes at least. Trusting the rhythm beneath the sound, carried in it, the melodies rise and fall. This rhythm doesn't run away, it remembers us. In a rest, a pause, a mini silence where it waits. Peace is born of one small thing, a sentence, a breath, a slowing and a swelling. Momentum isn't chased, it emerges, pulling at the thread, one wrapping over the other, to bind. Creativity is the self-generative force, not forced. Some days it feels wonky, destabilizing, chaotic. Other days it flows. And for better or worse, this too shall pass. Not bottled, not permanent, but dynamic and surprising. Time used wisely can lead nowhere, and time wasted can blast new doors wide open. There is no predicting how the light finds its way through the cracks. Some days simply fall apart, topple under the weight of their imbalance. That's okay. Others unfold from a slow, innocuous start. They get brighter. They become something. And some pass by without meaning, until perhaps one day later, sometimes much later. It's not known today, but in the future, this is the day when it all started to shift. It can't be known. It can't be forced. Simply returning to the rhythm that waits in rests and silences, again and again. An invitation to climb aboard and let the melody weave around the beat. A breath taken today and lived forever.